They say that a good workman is only as good as their tools. I can only aspire to the level of my Tesco value screwdrivers, but the saying is definitely true in science. You see, science involves continual measurement, and that measurement has to be as accurate as possible. Over time and with use, many instruments develop errors. The ammeter that you think is accurately measuring the current in a circuit that you think is measuring the true value isn't. The balance that's been used thousands of times in dozens of classrooms will have drifted slowly away from that true value and will now be adding a measurement error to your results, making them less accurate. Sometimes it's easy to spot. If you switch off a circuit and your ammeter is still showing a value, you've got a zero error on your hands. The piece of equipment, whatever it is, needs to be recalibrated. How do you recalibrate something? Well, you use it on something where you already know what the value is. If you turn off the current flowing through an ammeter, the reading must be 0 amperes. If you take the temperature of melting ice, the temperature must be 0 degrees. If you put a 1 kilogram block on a balance, the reading should be 1 kilogram. If the measuring equipment does read what it's supposed to, then everything's fine. If not, the piece of equipment needs to be thrown away or adjusted so that it does read what it's supposed to.